Starting this camera, okay, and then I'm going to wave this around. It's Friday, whatever, 16 May, right? Friday, 16 May, okay. I'm going to hit start on that. Okay, so we're live, yay, okay, so it's, it's 16 May, got that? Alright, so, okay, so now, this is a Sanyo M7770K. Just want to let you hear that. Alright, so that works. That's the cassette I'm going to use, right? And then, okay, then, this is the box here, and I said I was going to keep it on top of the thing to myself, so I'll move this out of the way so I can stand up here close to it. Right, so this pretty much came the same size as the unit itself. It's a 3-piece model with a 5-band equalizer and what else? Well, it's just your basic model, right? The excitement to it is called HTF, which is supposed to be hard to find and all that. And I don't know about that. I just maybe that not too many people have put this on the internet, so I'm doing this. There we go. And then, all right. It's not. Well, all right, so. Of course, there we go. This is just barely in here. It does have one layer of bubble wrap in it. You can just pull it out here like that. Okay, so nothing there. All right, so there's that. Here's this. Right, so cassette came with a parcel. According to the listing, it should play. It just may not. Okay. Yeah, so it's got 5-band equalizer volume. It's got line in. Okay. Nothing special on the tape deck. All right. And it's just a, and it takes 6. See, I'm going to hold it up to this one here. So looks like that there, right? Here, getting close so you can see it, right? And then here's the. I didn't even look at the back. Is that the right place to look on the back? All right. Well, there it is. Okay. Do that row here, right? So here's the back. All right, here's the back, and then here's the front. I don't know how the lighting is for this, but just trying to show it to you this because I'm showing it here primarily because Facebook videos now only last a month and then they just go away. All right, so that's what we know about that. So here for y'all, okay, if there isn't anybody out there watching this, this is Friday. This is here. Let's try that. So you got your stereo, I like that. Headphone jack, cassette player, 5-band equalizer, volume control with a slider, and then it's just 60 batteries. There's the the wired on things like that. So this okay. All right. So I got it because it's big enough but small enough at the same time. So let's see here. So I don't really need this power cord here. Just it's a standard oval. Okay, so I've got a standard oval right here. Okay, so whoops. All right. Okay, and then I'm in my chair so I can sit down and not be in the way here. So
believe they were able to save me upwards of $80,000 that I would have had to pay had I not reached out to them.
Get ready for a toll-free hotline. Take advantage of new IRS tax forgiveness programs that may protect you from IRS collection agencies.
I owe the IRS $37,000.
They have the power to garnish your wages.
Well, that's really nice. Everything works like that. Now let's see. Again, according to the listing, it should be able to play. So I was playing this cassette ever so briefly. Okay, well, can't see through the window because of the graphics there. Let's try this. Let's hit play. That's working. That's working. Okay. Wrong side, and it does work. How about that? It was this side I was playing. Yep. So, just no balance control. So I can hear both speakers playing, both sides that is. So. Oh yeah. No tape control, but I'm playing it. I'm using a Type 1 tape, so. And I didn't bring a flashlight in here. Let's see. Oh, let's see here. So. There, can you see it rolling along there? So here, let's try this. Oh, doesn't work. Oh, doesn't work. Okay, but it auto stopped off. It says full auto stop and soft eject. So it probably just needs a belt. This is probably one of these models that has a secondary belt driven off of the flywheel that does a pendulum effect type thing and swings between fast forward and rewind. Okay, so that's a really nice model. It says right there GX3619. It's in really good condition. Okay, but the thing I like about it is that it's lightweight, and that I can, it's not terribly heavy, and it has that all-important 5-band equalizer, which will really help this play. Okay, so I'll take the D batteries. Let's see here. Let's see here. Like that. This. No foam on there. And this has never had batteries. It's absolutely clean, shiny inside here. This has been well cared for. And just needs a belt, to make it fast forward and rewind. Alright, so anyway, I just wanted to make that little video, show this to you. Alright, so started with this camera, right? So let me get this camera here off the tripod. Alright. And just, let's see here. Okay. Well, yeah, 850. Okay. Anyway, that's it. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Bye-bye. Hit the off button. Okay. And then, to take a picture with this one, right? Oh, what? Off? What's off? Oh, you got to put it in camera mode. That's what it is. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, great. So we get a nice little, anyway, flash picture. This one pops up a flash and turn that camera off. Okay. Then we get this other one way back here. So here's the other one, and yeah, I've just been, see here, can we make you all famous? Who's famously watching this? Okay, I don't know. All right, so anyway, there it is. Good day. Okay, 9:54. Okay, so we'll just hit stop on this.